the undead, the earth, and the fire alarm's going off. What's up guys, it's LJ Game Freddy here, back for another video, and plus if you can see I've got no braces anymore, because I just got them removed, but I have to like wear retainers every night, but anyways, now, first of all, a lot of my fans out there have been going crazy. LJ, where are those Skylanders unboxings? I'm doing one right now, and plus if you can see I've torn the box a bit, what I've ordered, and anyways, so what I ordered from eBay is the Cursed Tiki Temple with Master Wildstorm and Life Creation Crystal and a blue Mystery Imaginite chest. And it has 80 pieces in there. And if you could look at the back, and speaking of that, you know what's about to happen. Okay, that was a little slow. Okay. Alright, let's get Wildstorm out there. Oh, that was easy. Come on. Alright. Wait a minute, those stickers. Hold up. Those stickers. Oh, there they are. Okay. Always keep the stickers for the crystals. Anyways. First, look at Wildstorm. Very, very cool. I like the sword, and he's like doing that kind of Darth Vader thing from the Disney Infinity. You know, that I don't know. And yeah, plus here's a close look at the blue Mystery Imaginite chest, and I just get the face out of my way. All right, but yeah, cool. And also the Life Creation Crystal. And at least I didn't break it, because last time I saw someone unbox this, he broke it pretty good. But well, I'm lucky I didn't break it. So yeah. So at the moment I've completed the the dark, the undead, the earth, and the fire alarm's going off. What would make the fire alarm go on? Anyways, the fire, and also just one element. Anyways, yeah, well, that one element was just chaos. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Turn it off.